class once again today. We shall be looking at oral studies, and under that we are focusing on review of past questions on JAMB. We shall take some questions under this phase. We shall be looking at number 1, which says choose the option that has a different vowel sound from the others. We shall take the options down. Number 1, choose the option that has a different vowel sound from the others. A is F O U L. F O U L. B is T O U T. C is O W L, and D is F O E. Sorry. In oral studies, what's most important about that segment of English is pronunciation and not spelling. And for that reason, we shall go according to the pronunciation of each of these words, so that we'll be able to know the one that is different from the others. Right here, this is F O U L. This is transcribed as vowel. Then T O U T is transcribed as vowels. O W L is transcribed as owl, and F O E is transcribed as foal. So by merely looking at it, we see that the vowel sounds here are exactly the same, but only in the D, which is foal, that we have a different vowel sound. Therefore, the answer here is D, which is foal. we take the last question under this section. Question number 4. It says, choose the option that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letters on the line. Choose the option that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letters on the line. We have the word from which we get the letter. It's not actually letters, but letter. The letter on the line. We have the word feel. So we have A. Option A is S-A-L-T. Option B is W-A-L-K. Option C is B-S-A-R-M. Then option D is C-H-A-L-K. We also transcribe before we get our final answer. Let's begin with the main word from which we get the letter. This is fail. So the L, the L is pronounceable. It's not silent. So in the word salt, we have S-A, means sorry, S, long O sound, lot sound, and sound. Then in walk, we simply have this. In option C, we simply have this. In option D, we simply have so we're going to analyze for better understanding. In this option, we have fail. What we simply want to know is the letter that has, the word that has, or the option that has the letter L pronounceable in it. In the word salt, we can see the sound in the pronunciation. That means L is pronounceable. That is, the letter L can be pronounced out when we pronounce the word salt. But in B, option B, we have L as a letter in the word walk. But in the transcription, there is no L, which shows that L is silent in the pronunciation of walk. Then in C, we have a similar case where P-S-A-L-M is pronounced as sound. So there is no letter L that is in the pronunciation. There is no other sound. That means that L is also silent. Again, in D, L is also silent because it's absent in the transcription. That means the only correct option is A, because it's only in A that you get the sound as it is in the main word from which we pick the letter we are talking about. At this juncture, we shall come to the end of this particular class. We shall be meeting soon in our next class. Thank you very much.